We will now configure the wireless connection for your FireStick 4K Max. This process involves several straightforward steps to establish a stable Wi-Fi connection. Begin the setup process by connecting your FireStick 4K Max to an available HDMI port on your television. Connect the power adapter to provide electrical power to the device. The remote control will automatically establish a connection with the FireStick within 10 to 20 seconds. Once paired, select your preferred language from the displayed menu options. The FireStick will automatically scan for available wireless networks in your vicinity. To establish a connection, navigate to the Settings menu, then select Network from the available options. Select your wireless network from the list of detected networks. Enter the network password using the on-screen keyboard interface. The connection process typically completes within 30 to 60 seconds. An alternative connection method utilizes Wi-Fi Protected Setup, commonly known as WPS. Select the Connect via WPS option from the Network menu. Press the WPS button on your wireless router within 2 minutes of selecting the WPS option. This method establishes an automatic connection without requiring manual password entry. A third connection option involves using your smartphone as a mobile hotspot. Enable the mobile hotspot feature on your smartphone device. Select the mobile hotspot network from the FireStick's available networks list. Enter the hotspot password to establish the connection. This method is particularly useful when traditional Wi-Fi networks are unavailable. The FireStick 4K Max incorporates Wi-Fi 6 technology, also designated as 802.11ax standard. This advanced wireless protocol delivers significantly faster connection speeds and enhanced performance in network environments with multiple connected devices. Wi-Fi 6 technology provides improved efficiency and reduced latency, ensuring optimal streaming performance for 4K content and multiple simultaneous device connections. Your wireless connection setup is now complete. For users seeking maximum stability and performance, a wired network connection offers significant advantages over wireless connectivity. The FireStick 4K Max supports wired connections through specialized adapters. Wired connections provide several key benefits: consistent speeds without interference, reduced latency for streaming, and reliability that is unaffected by Wi-Fi congestion or distance from the router. The primary method for wired connectivity uses the Amazon Ethernet adapter, which must be purchased separately for approximately $15. This adapter connects directly to the FireStick's micro USB port. The setup process involves 3 straightforward steps. First, connect the Ethernet adapter to your FireStick's micro USB port. Next, plug an Ethernet cable from your router into the adapter. Finally, navigate to the network settings on your device. To access the wired network settings, use your FireStick remote to navigate to Settings, then select Network, and finally choose the Wired option. The device will automatically configure the IP address and establish the connection. An alternative wired solution uses Powerline networking adapters. These devices transmit network signals through your home's existing electrical wiring, making them ideal for locations with poor Wi-Fi coverage or where running Ethernet cables is impractical. Wired connections demonstrate exceptional reliability with Ethernet adapter connections, achieving a 98.1% success rate. This significantly exceeds wireless connection reliability, making wired setup the preferred choice for users prioritizing consistent performance.